In front of me is Xiaomi 11T, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store, then tap on your account and go to Manage Apps and Device. And here under Updates Available, you will be able to find all applications that can be updated. And you've got two methods. You can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all apps by using this Update All click. And it will be done within a couple of seconds. You can observe the progress here. Also, you can switch it off and it will be done in the background. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.